Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be teaching you how you can copy your Hamster Combat wallet address from Binance to your Hamster app. Okay, stick around while we do this. Let's go. First of all, you have to click on airdrop. Okay, you have to click on the airdrop. Alright, here are the number of exchanger that has been listed so far. I'll be working with Binance for now. Alright, so let's click on Binance. This is Binance right here. Okay, so I do have Binance account. Let's proceed. Whoa, on Binance you are required to impute two different wallet address, which is your Hamster deposit address and memo address. All these two address required will be gotten from the Binance app, and that is what I want to show you guys how to do it. Okay, stick around, let's go there. Okay, when you're on this your Binance, to start with, you have to click on the add fund. Okay, then the next place you will click will be on deposit crypto. Okay, then you click on this search coins. We'll be searching for HMS, which stands for Hamster. As you can see, it's right here. Okay, when this pop out, you click in here to proceed. Wow, important notice that is here. Both memo and address are required to successfully deposit your Hamster to Binance. Hope you understand the. Okay, here we copy these two wallet address. Okay, first of all, let's copy the deposit address. Copied. The deposit address will be input in here. Let's go and copy the memo address, which is this. Just like we did on dogs. Okay, it's very simple. Now everything has been imputed successfully. Your Hamster wallet address, your Hamster memo address. So let's click on save and choose to proceed. Well done, thank you. I think you can see that we are good to go. Okay, as you can see, we have successfully linked our Hamster Combat wallet address from Binance to the Hamster. You can see the green tick. The green tick is linked up. Okay, and you have nothing to worry about. Do me good by subscribing to my channel and turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop a tutorial like this, you'll be the first to know. Okay, thank you for watching. Peace.